how to create a Facebook group. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create a Facebook group, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, creating a Facebook group we are not talking about messenger group chats and so on. We are actually talking about Facebook group that people can join. It's like just a page, but unlike page where everybody cannot post on groups, everyone in the member section can post it. So to create a group, you can open Facebook. Then all you have to do is just go ahead and log into the account, tap the three lines option from here, and then just go to see more and look for the option called groups. Once you go to groups, you'll see the list of groups that you're a part of. To create your own group, tap the plus icon from the bottom and then tap on create group. Now all you have to do is simply make sure to give your group a name, and once you give this group a name, what you want to do is simply go ahead and try to choose your privacy. Once you've done that, tap the create group option and you will be able to create your group in that way. This way you'll be able to create a group on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.